Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College. We love the German DAX in the morning because we get that volatility at 8 a.m. London time. We are looking for green buy signals. We got that again this morning, being 2nd of July. The market give us the green buy signals on the Pro Trend system. We flew higher here. Look where we rallied right into 15,700. What's 15,700? Well, it's a big round psychological number. Market reversed from there. We got some red PTS to get out of the long side trade. So another 60 odd points profit on today's trading signals with the Pro Trend system. And since then, we've just had another short signal in this area here. We're coming into the US Open. Now, yesterday's one was just as good. So here is yesterday's buy signal. Once again, the 8 a.m. morning move. Remember, volatility kicks in on that morning session. We're waiting for green buy signals. Why are we looking for green? Well, we can look for red, but the DAX is still in an uptrend and the 60-minute chart was still green on the Pro Trend system. So here is the buy signal. We're not looking for red. We're not looking for this one. We're not even looking for the red signals here to get short. You could play that, but it's quite an aggressive short signal. But really we want to be looking for that big explosive move on the open where we get that injection of volume. Storyteller also pushes in to the upside. And then we basically, once we get into the US session, we get into these zigzag buy signals, which really by this time it's a complete mess. We're not interested. It's the European session, it's the London session, it's the morning move on the German DAX. That's where we want to go in. And to be fair, guys, with it being the summer time, you don't want to be trading beyond 9 a.m. in London. You want to be done by then. Maybe get it done before you even get to work. You can definitely get these morning moves on the German DAX and play out some very nice profits indeed. This one yesterday, if you had taken from the low to the high, that was 100 points. Multiply that by your position size. Even if you're doing a spread bet at £2 a point, you've made yourself 200 quid on that trade. Hope it helps, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel.